Hi everyone, welcome to my new video of crypto Zagros. Today we are going to be talking about and showing a tutorial on how to take advantages of the staking on Binance exchange. Let me think. Now we are in the home page of the Binance exchange, and we can go to Binance Earn, and then we can see 5 part in here in this page. And generally, I believe that BNB wallet and savings and liked staking is so important than compared with the others. And we can go now to the saving. Flexible saving, I mean, is the better way and so easier for beginner. And I believe that we can shoot so easy staking here, and all the days you can compound investing and earn more and more. And this is so useful for everyone. Can be have the philosophy of the raise and holding coin for 2, 3, or 5 years. And let me think, for example, BTC in here, and you can get 0.80% APY. I mean, you can APY get a percentage. This is so important. And another one is ADA, Cardano, and next one is Atom, BAT. All of them so good for everyone. Have a good technology, and you can be safe business and holding, yeah, that's great for everyone. BCH is good for us, and we have many different coins for holding and raise more and more. Yeah. So next one, we have liked staking. All of these percentage are so more because you should be care about your all the days you be have deal with Binance exchange. For example, 30, 60, or 90 days you should keep your money, keep your coins, and after you get your you can be win around of 15%, 10%, and that's so useful for everyone for keeping their coin for 30 years, for example, 30 days, I'm sorry. And yeah, like that is for example 30, 60, or 90 per days. We have different coins in here: Neo, Sol, and Dot, and Vet. Many we have several coins in here, and that's so useful for everyone. Next one is BNB wallet. That's Binance say to us that's the best way for investing here. And for example, I have 1.5 BNB in here, and I get a reward BNB Auto and Clay coins, and that's I think around of 10, maybe 15 days I have had investing in here, and I get 0.0037284 near to the 0.67% per APY. That's important. And yeah, that's then if you want to be check your account balance, You can go to the overview in the Binance account, like that, this way, and that will be so amazing wallet and facilities for us. We can check our balance in earning. You should go in here down, you should go to earn and check your account, flexible account, locked activities, saving to real fund. And yeah, you can, so easy way for us, we can check today, for example, today interest, total interest, estimate value, and you can see all of your earning and redeeming and many things right now in here. That's so useful for us. I appreciate it. Please follow me and subscribe my channel for watching new video in the future, and thank you so much.